29 forecast.
All right, it's been a wet Wednesday throughout the morning. It's certainly in midday, early afternoon. That's when some of the steadiest and some heavier rain fell. Go to our Doppler radar network now, and for the most part, most of the steadiest rain is kind of along and east of Route 15. Then there are some lingering shower bands back behind that. We're likely going to see redevelopment of more showers behind the actual cold front later tonight. You can see some of the heaviest activity now is shifting east of I-95 and certainly up the Chesapeake, and there have been some isolated severe reports with that line. Let's take a look at current numbers. We're 63 at the airport, 62 right now in Richmond, but you'll notice those numbers in the 40s and 50s back across and west of the Appalachians. Matter of fact, look at the 24-hour temperature change. Right now, Charleston, West Virginia, some 30 degrees, 31 degrees colder than this time yesterday. We are going to be much colder by morning, and this front will certainly live up to its name. Most of our winds currently are out of the south and southwest. They'll start to shift more out of the west and northwest as we go through the overnight and certainly tomorrow morning. By morning, most of us east of the Blue Ridge will be in the upper 30s to around 40 with some middle 30s in the Shenandoah Valley. Now, before the moisture ends, this would be pre-dawn hours of Thursday morning. There could be a little mix of some wet snowflakes across the valley floor. Higher ridge tops could see a little accumulation in terms of that changeover. So there's our planner for tomorrow. Temperatures in the morning will be in the 30s to around 40, and it will be a blustery day with the winds out of the northwest. We could have gusts over 25, 35 miles an hour, so that'll put a chill in the air. But we'll have some sunshine to start the day, and then more clouds will bubble up because the air mass aloft is very cold, and there can't rule out a stray shower, but it will be a chillier day. As mentioned, those winds gusting at times 25 over 30 miles an hour. Here's Futurecast depiction, and as we get toward 10, 11 o'clock, we start to see more showers redevelop across the region, and then during the early morning hours of Thursday, those higher ridge tops seeing a little changeover potentially, and then it's out of here by daybreak, and we'll watch for skies to clear temporarily, but we'll bubble up more cloudiness. So in general, we'll have variably to mostly cloudy skies, and not depicted here, but there could be a stray shower, but the winds will be the bigger story along with the chill. And by Friday morning, we're talking about temperatures in the 20s, so we will have freeze concerns, but the chance of rain really after tomorrow morning goes down, and that takes us through the Easter weekend, which is good news. So the front will push east tonight, chillier air mass back behind it. You can see some of the current numbers, 40 in Chicago, some numbers that are across in the 30s here across the northern plain states. The trough for dip in the jet stream hangs out for Thursday and Friday and the start of the Easter weekend, so that'll make for some chilly days, some cold mornings, but then by the Easter weekend, we'll start to see those temperatures begin to rebound. Tonight then, we'll have more showers, turning windy and colder, mid-30s to around 40 by early tomorrow morning. On average tomorrow, we'll call it variably to mostly cloudy. Could be a stray shower. Temperatures between the mid-40s and low 50s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Tomorrow night to Friday morning, Friday night to Saturday morning, freeze concerns, but the Easter weekend is looking good and temperatures will warm into next week.